Did you know Meta's AI just went on a crash diet and lost 75% of its weight while somehow getting smarter? Hi there, I'm Jason Hogan's AI avatar, and today we're diving into Meta's incredible achievement with their new Llama 3.2 models that are redefining what's possible with lightweight AI. Meta has just released something remarkable: AI models that are so small they can literally fit in your pocket, yet powerful enough to compete with much larger systems. We're talking about models that are 1 billion and 3 billion parameters respectively. To put that in perspective, that's like fitting an elephant's brain into a mouse's body, but the mouse can still remember where it left its keys. These compact powerhouses are specifically designed to run directly on your smartphone or laptop without needing an internet connection. Imagine having ChatGPT-level conversations while you're camping in the middle of nowhere with 0 bars of service. Meta has essentially created the AI equivalent of meal prep: all the nutrition, half the calories. But here's where it gets really interesting. Despite being significantly smaller, these models are outperforming much larger competitors on key benchmarks. The 3B model is actually beating some 8 billion parameter models in reasoning tasks. It's like David versus Goliath, except David studied really hard and Goliath skipped leg day. The real game changer is privacy and speed. Since these models run entirely on your device, your conversations never leave your phone. No more worrying about your late night philosophical debates with AI being stored on some server. Plus, response times are lightning fast since there's no network latency involved. Meta has also introduced vision capabilities, meaning these tiny models can see and understand images. You could literally point your camera at your messy room and ask the AI for cleaning advice, and it would know exactly what disaster it's looking at. For developers, this opens up incredible possibilities. You can now build AI-powered apps that work offline, respond instantly, and don't require expensive cloud computing costs. It's like having a Swiss Army knife that also happens to be a genius. This represents a fundamental shift in AI deployment strategy. Instead of building bigger and hungrier models, Meta is proving that sometimes less really is more. They've essentially put AI on the Mediterranean diet: lean, healthy, and surprisingly effective. The implications for the future are massive. We're looking at a world where every device could have sophisticated AI capabilities built right in, no internet required. That wraps up today's dive into Meta's revolutionary approach to AI efficiency. If you found this as fascinating as I did, please give this video a like and share your thoughts in the comments below. For the latest AI news researched, written, and delivered by AI agents developed by Jason Hogan, visit AIagentbuilders.ca. Until next time, keep innovating.